Hey everybody, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use the second derivative test, and we're going to go ahead and find all relative extrema using the second derivative test. So first we're going to start off by finding the first derivative. Using the power rule, we're going to get 3x squared minus 6x, and that's going to be our first derivative. And we're going to go ahead and find the critical points, critical numbers, by setting this equal to 0, and then we're going to solve for x. So we could factor out a 3x, that would be x minus 2, 0, and then what makes this whole expression 0 are the numbers 0, and then x is equal to 2. These are our critical numbers, CN critical numbers. And we're going to go ahead and put them inside the second derivative. I'll show you how. So now we're going to find the second derivative. Second derivative would be, using the power rule again, 6x minus 6. That's our second derivative. And now we're going to do a composite function, f prime prime of 0. You see we're putting the second derivative, we're putting 0 in place of x, and then we're going to put 2 in place of x, like this. Okay, for f prime prime of 0, that would be 6, substitute x for 0. Then that would be negative 6. Negative 6 is less than 0. That means we have a maximum at 0, comma, and then we're going to substitute 0 inside the original function, and we would get 3. So 3 is our max. And now for the minimum, let's find out. So f prime prime of 2, that's 6, 2, negative 6, and that would be 6. And 6 is greater than 0, that means we have a minimum at 2, comma, then we put 2 inside this function, that's 8 minus 12, that's negative 4, plus 3, negative 1. Okay, so that's all the relative extrema, and we have a maximum at 0, 3, and then a minimum at 2, negative 1. And that's the second derivative test.